Hi, my name is James Holtslag from the Heart and Trotter Butcher Shop. So what we have here is the rancher steak. It sits right next to the flat iron, right next to the shoulder blade. And so what I'm gonna do is demonstrate how we clean them and cut them up for steaks. It's a good alternative to something like a sirloin tip. This side, as you can see, is a good amount of silver skin. Just continue to take off the silver skin. Now the fat you could leave on or you could take off, kind of up to you. We take off all the fat here in the shop. It's fairly lean, but as you can see, it's got some decent amount of intermuscular fat content to it. Once we start cutting it into steaks, you'll be able to see it a little more. There's a piece of sinew that goes right down the middle, and so sometimes that's not preferred by your typical steak lover, but it's got amazing flavor and great texture. That's why we serve a lot of them here. So now I'm gonna cut steaks. We want about 1 inch. As you can see, the grain is running this way, so we want to go 90 degrees across the grain. And I'll start at this end.